Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Minecraft error code chain. The error reads, "The game version you are using is out of date. Update your game to the latest version and try again." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to join a Minecraft realm but are unable to connect. According to our research, the error happens when the game version is outdated. It may also occur if the host and the player are on different versions, or if there are temporary server issues. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to sign out of your Minecraft account and sign back in. After signing back in, try joining the realm and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update your game. Sometimes the update might not show immediately, so wait for a while and try again. If the error still persists, then make sure both you and the person hosting the realm are using the same version of the game. If either of you is on a different version, update your games and see if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then check if your PC needs a system update. Simply go to your system settings and check for any available updates, and if there are any pending updates, then install them, and then check for the error again. If you still get the error, then try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. Simply go to your app list and uninstall the game titled Minecraft, and make sure to not uninstall the Minecraft launcher, then open the launcher and let it reinstall the game. Once reinstalled, check if this helps with the error. Also keep in mind to back up any data which may be deleted during the game uninstallation. At last, if nothing helps, then it could be a temporary server issue. In that case, it will be best to wait for some time and check again later. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.